I'm Bobby Pacquiao. Please don't smoke.
Sorry, Phil.
Game?
Game.
Ako po si Bobby Fernandez ng Team Pacquiao. Advice ko po sa mga kabataan, stop smoking. Kumain na masarap para manatiling maganda yung katawan. Iwasan ng sigarilyo dahil hindi maganda sa kalusugan nyo. Mga bata, kayong pag-asa ng bayan, stop smoking.
Thank you, sir.
I'm Wendell Rupert Alinea, photographer for Fieldboxing.com and People's Journal. I advise the youth to take care of your health, eat healthy, and please don't smoke because it destroys the lungs, it destroys all your organs, it destroys your health. I'm a cancer survivor, and I just want to live a healthy life. Take care.